previously recorded.
Alright, y'all, so they got hot dog bacon for $3.05, so I'm gonna get me about, I guess just like one pack of that. Here's another popular sausage in our area. I never tried them before, but these is called some registered sausages, y'all. $2.87 for that milk right there. Miss Willow, I know you probably don't eat hot stuff, but if you do, look what they got. Some white cheddar flaming hot popcorn, girl.
Hey y'all, I'm back at you with a Walmart grocery haul. Did y'all see the prices of them groceries, y'all? That was too high. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I did a Walmart shop with me. If you would, please go over to my channel, Tiana, I Can Only Be Me, and show that video some love if you don't mind. Okay, but I'm coming at you with the stuff that I went and got from Walmart. I just went and got a little odds and ends, you know, little stuff that I need for my Sunday dinner, and also just to re-up on a little stuff in the house. So let me show you what I got. Alright, starting over here, y'all, I got some vegetable oil from Walmart. I got some stuff from Walmart and my local grocery store, so I'll let y'all know what came from the local grocery store. But I got some vegetable oil from Walmart. I bought some of this Walmart brand of Velveeta cheese. I bought 2 Rico's nacho cheese for when I make tacos. I bought some thickened, chunky, mild salsa. Some rigatoni noodles. I got a bag of pink salmon, and this is the 2-pound bag, y'all. I also purchased some Parmesan cheese. This is the Parmesan and Romano cheese. I got some swaffilet fish. If y'all wondering, this is the fish that I be frying, and y'all be asking all the time, what kind of fish, what kind of fish, what kind of fish you cooking? It be the swaffilets right here, and this is the 4-pound bag from Walmart. If you want to know how much it is, go over and watch that video that I posted, shop with me in Walmart, okay? I also purchased some of these chocolate dip vanilla cones, y'all. I love these good, y'all. They're good, but they high. For only $8, they high. Alright, so then I got some Andy's smoked sausages right there. If y'all like Andy's sausage, leave a comment down below and let me know that you like Andy's. Andy's got some bomb sausage, y'all. Don't sleep on the Andy's. Alright, so then I got some cheese, the American cheese. I got some sharp cheddar cheese. This is the 1-pound bag. I got some Kobe Jack cheese, and this is the 2-pound bag. I got some Outshine bars, and these is so good, y'all. I ain't never tried a watermelon, but I got them this time. So I purchased the watermelon and I purchased a strawberry. These is bomb. I'm telling you, you cannot go wrong with the Outshine bars, y'all. With the real fruit in them too, child, honey. So then I got some crescent rolls, y'all. They went back to the normal size on the crescent rolls. They're not skinny as they was. So I got 2 of those. I got some lactose milk. I got and I love the lactose milk, y'all. It works for me. So if you have problems with, you know, your digestion and stuff like that, you know, gas that is from dairy products, then try the lactose milk and let me know what you think about that. And if you use the lactose milk, leave a comment down below and let other family members know what y'all think about the lactose milk. Alright, so then from my local grocery store, I had got 2 of these onion powders. Back at Walmart, I got some Kobe Monterey Jack sliced cheese for sandwiches. This is the deli style, and you get 12 slices. I got me some Imperial margarine. I got some biscuits. You get 4 in a pack of 10-count biscuits. Got those. I got 6 cans of evaporated milk right there. And these came from Walmart as well. Y'all see the great value on them. And then I got some hash browns right there, the little patties for breakfast. I also got some banana popsicles. These is for grandma. Grandma loves banana popsicles, so I got her a whole big bag of these. She loves these popsicles, y'all. I'm telling you. If you want to get her a popsicle, get her some banana popsicles. Then I got some hog jaw bacon from my local grocery store. I got a bag of onions from my local grocery store. From Walmart, back at Walmart, y'all, I got some buttermilk cornmeal mix. I got some lightly salted restaurant style tortilla chips, and I got 2 bags of those by the size, maybe some tacos, nachos, whatever. All right, so from my local grocery store, I got 3 sweet potatoes and 2 cabbages. Back at Walmart again, I got a bag of granulated sugar and a pack of hamburger buns, the ballpark buns, and some Nature's Own butter bread for sandwiches. And then back at Walmart, we were still at Walmart right now, but I got the thick cut bacon, y'all. I like this bacon from Walmart. It don't shrink down like all that other bacon do. So I got 2 packs of this thick cut bacon right there, and this is the hickory smoked bacon, y'all. This is some good bacon. Look at that bacon, y'all. That bacon look good, don't it? Child. So yeah, that is it, y'all, for this haul. I gotta get this stuff put up, get my freeze pops and all that stuff in the freezer. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. And y'all don't forget to ring the doorbell. What I mean by ring the doorbell is hit the thumbs up, the like button. One time for the one time for your girl, if you don't mind. I was just checking to make sure I didn't leave nothing out. All right, y'all. Y'all have a good one. All right, y'all. Time to put the groceries up. Fish. Back. Come put this fish outside for me. See? You said it. It couldn't be too bad. Alright, so I gotta get the other stuff put up in the cabinet. Oh, I'm gonna get my onions. cooking a dinner. You want it? You want that today? Huh? Now I'm cooking dinner. Tell my mama, am I making some nachos?